So the Wearhaus beam has finally arrived. They've been out for, I think I bought these in 2 years ago, around October 2016. And after about 2 years and 2 months, it's now December 2018, I've gotten these. So I'm gonna unbox these and we'll show and see what kind of things they are. So I removed the packaging. It looks very nicely packaged. I think it's a decent looking box. So the box slides out and you can lift the top off. Ooh, nice. It's a little container for me as well. And this is very similar to design as the Bose headphones. I've seen this design in quite many. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, get the app. Wireless audio sharing. Okay, now let's see what this looks like. Oh, and the stickers. Okay. So we have the headphones here. Okay. Some pretty solid construction, it seems. There's a lot of not bad. Extra earbuds and a clip, 2 clips. So okay, I don't think I'll use these yet. And a USB cable, presumably to charge it. I like how there is pretty much no manual, so I guess you just gotta figure it out. And I have the white one, but I'll unbox that later.